Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to make your Facebook account private on a laptop or phone. On mobile, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Find Privacy Checkup and tap on it. Tap on Who can see what you share, then tap Continue. Set your phone number and email to Only Me. Adjust profile details like your birthday, hometown, and relationship status to Only Me if you want full privacy. Tap Next. Under Default Audience, select Friends or Only Me for complete privacy. For Stories, select Friends. Scroll down to Limit Past Posts and tap Limit to make all previous posts private. Tap Next, then skip the blocking section and tap Next again. Go back and tap How people can find you on Facebook. Tap Continue. Under Friend Requests, change the setting to Friends of Friends. Tap Next. Set both your phone number and email search options to No One, then tap Next. Turn off search engine linking so your profile won't appear on Google. Tap Next and exit Privacy Checkup. Now, go back to the main settings page. Scroll to Audience and Visibility, then tap Followers and Public Content. Set Who can follow me to Friends. Change Who can see your followers to Only Me. Do the same for who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. To check if your profile is private, go to your profile, tap the three dots next to Edit Profile, and select View As. If done correctly, only your name and profile picture should be visible to the public. On PC, log into your Facebook account. I want to show you something first. I will go over here 3 dots and tap on View As on this option. Now I am viewing my account like a visitor would. Let's see how much of my account a visitor would see. I will push on my friends. They can see my friends. They can see the posts I have liked. Now if you want to make all this private, I will show you how to do that. I will exit visitor mode, go to this option that says About. Push on that. Now scroll down, push on the 3 dots in the corner here on the Tabs option where it says Friends. Now push on Edit Privacy. We have options here to change our settings from public to private. Push on the first one. Scroll down and select the option Only Me. Push on that, then push Save. Go to the next one and do the same, and then the last one here. Now exit out. Scroll down some more. Push the 3 dots again in the corner on the Photos tab. I have no photos on my account, so I have no option to hide photos here. Scroll down again. Push on the 3 dots, Hide section, go down, Hide section, and keep on doing this while you scroll down this page. Okay, we are finished. Now scroll back to the top of the page. We will check for a second time how our profile account will look like to a visitor. Let's check the account again. Push on Friends. Our friends are hidden, our photos and likes are hidden. This is the only way to make your Facebook profile private. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.